welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, we'll talk about 90 FPS gameplay, how you can actually play in the Realme X1 Max 12. Yes friends, this kind of trick is right now working in the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. Yes, BGMI, you can actually play the 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max. As you can see, this is the exact proof which I got right now. As you can see friends, so this is a screenshot which I taken just about I think 10 minutes back. Right now the time 6:42 and right now the time is about 6:47, as you can see, few minutes back only. And this trick I'll try to mention you how you can actually achieve the 90 FPS in your Realme X1 Max without any kind of issues. But there is some small problem with this kind of trick at the moment. So we need to wait for the official Realme, they need to fix this kind of issue. But till then there is some temporary solution for that in case if you want to play at 90 FPS. So this is exactly the variant which I'm trying to use in my testing. This is a Realme X1 Max. And from yesterday and day before yesterday, I did post plenty of videos asking subscribers and users, can you please if you know any other method, can you please comment under my videos? That will be really helpful. And I'm getting plenty of comments about this one, how you can actually play that. And out of the one comment which I have received, which is one of the users, he did mention that try to keep the brightness of the phone to 0 and then start the game. So then we'll be able to see the 90 FPS in the Realme X1 Max. That is what I did, and it actually worked. Yes friends, shockingly, it did work in the Realme X1 Max. So the problem is right now, as you can see, it's getting 60 only. Now it's not coming 90 because you know that I did increase the brightness. So we need to start the game from the 0 brightness. Only then you will be able to get that kind of 90 FPS. I'm not sure why we need to do this kind of things, but I'll try to explain what other users suggested me to do. I'll try to even explain those things as well later on, but first let's focus on BGMI. Let me try to quickly turn off the complete lights because right now I'll need to decrease completely 0 brightness so you won't be able to see it properly. As you can see friends, I did decrease the complete brightness as well. There is no studio lighting effect, nothing at all at this moment, as you can clearly see that. So now let me try to exactly show you. Let me try to open the game right now. You can see the 120 as well clearly, and let me try to start the game. So the 120 will remain exactly 120. It will not decrease to 60. Yes. So if you try to increase the brightness, that will definitely decrease to 60, but right now it's staying exactly, as you can see friends, it's staying only 120, it's not decreasing. Let me try to show you the gain space as well. So in the gain space also you'll be able to see it properly in the gain space. 90 FPS, as you can see friends, exactly 90 FPS. You can clearly see that 90 FPS which we got just now. So now let me try to go back to the settings and show you exactly. So let me try to go back and show you the settings, and yes, I'm trying to use a 90 FPS in both compact and lobby. As you can see, everything is set to 90 FPS and the 120 FPS is not decreasing to 60. Perfect. As you can see friends, right now you'll be able to play the 90 FPS in the PUBG mobile. Yes, sorry, in the Battlegrounds mobile you can definitely play this 90 FPS. So but thing is that if you try to increase the brightness, this trick doesn't work. No, it won't work. It won't work. So don't try to increase the brightness. If you want, you can increase slowly. So don't go above 20%. Let me try to show you exactly in the video. I'll try to demonstrate you live. I'm trying to increase, as you can see, I'm trying to increase slowly, little by little. As you can see, I'm trying to show you exactly the threshold value where you can actually set. Till here, no problem. It did not change any kind of values, as you can see. Now little bit, I just want to increase 25%. Just the value gone. As you can see friends, immediately it decreases to 60 Hz. You can see that. So even now if you try to decrease the brightness, it doesn't go back. No, it doesn't go back. So this actual problem is going on. I'm not sure why the brightness it's interlinked with the refresh rate. It's totally I'm not sure why. So this problem is already happened on another Realme phones as well. Yes, with the Realme X2 Pro. With the Realme X2 Pro, same kind of problem used to happen. I still remember I used to do the low brightness in that game. Now I did close the game completely and I'm trying to open again the game. So now you'll be able to see that kind of brightness, and always try to start the game with a 0 brightness. 0, yes. Only if you start the brightness with a 0, only then you'll be able to play the 90 FPS in the Battlegrounds mobile. So till the official update comes and official they fix, so we need to have this kind of temporary solution at this point. The reason is I thought of just addressing to my users who are actually having the Realme X1 Max. It might be kind of helpful for them in case if you're planning to play at 90 FPS. But right now, as you can see friends, absolutely 90 FPS you can play that without any kind of issues. So I'll try to play a couple of match, and let me try to show you exactly whether while playing the match whether it will decrease or not. 120, that is what I'm going to check. So in case if you're interested, I'll try to do the third party FPS meter. And one more thing, while using screen recording, this trick doesn't work. Yes. So if you try to use the screen recording, gone. You cannot record even 90 FPS. That is what my problem is. That is the reason I took the screenshot, not the screen recording. Otherwise, I could have recorded the screen recording as well. I'll try to show you exactly. So don't worry, I'll try to explain each and every situation. Right now, it's very hard to play in the low brightness. It's very, very hard, friends. It's very hard, I would say. So let me exactly show you the 90 FPS. As you can see, right now I'm getting 85 FPS, 85, 90, 89, as you can see. No problem. In the team deathmatch which I'm trying to play right now. So which is kind of really hard to play in this kind of low brightness, I can definitely say that. So now I'm trying to play the normal classic match, and let me try to do the drop test. So I just want to see how much frames will be dropped during that time of drop test. That is what I'm going to exactly show you right now. I'm just trying to use different modes just to demonstrate the 90 FPS doesn't disappear. And one more thing, let me try to slightly increase the brightness if possible. So the threshold value, I think it can be kind of close to this. I think it's gone. Just my bad. So I need to be a little bit kind of careful with the threshold value. Yes, friends, you should find out the kind of threshold value a little bit. So let's see now. No, it's not working again, as you can see, because I did not decrease the brightness to 0. That is the reason we did not get that 120. So always remember, start with the 0 brightness. Only then you will be able to get that. So now we'll be able to see it properly, the FPS drop, how much will it be there. I think they are dropping exactly in the poaching key, I think so. Let's see how much the frames will be dropped at the time. So right now I'm getting 88. So I'll try to use a third party FPS meter in case if you want me to do. I'll try to do some other video recording as well. But only thing is that I cannot record the screen, because if I start recording the screen recording, I won't get 90 FPS. I won't get. I'll try to even show you, demonstrate you after this kind of frame drop test. So I just want to show you how much frames right now we are getting. So 86, 88, and now let's see, 87, 89, 86, not bad, 87, and 85 dropped. 85 is the lowest I have seen so far. 71, as you can see, 71 it got dropped, as you can see, from 71, and 81, 82. It's not bad. So these are the frame drops test which I'm trying to do right now in this phone. So this will give the clear idea how the gameplay is actually while using this kind of test. So it looks really smooth, friends, while playing. That's really good to play in the 90 FPS. That's very, very, very smooth. So it's very smooth, I would say, definitely. So one last thing which I'll try to do is I'll try to show you exactly the screen recording. I'll try to start the screen recording. Immediately the FPS drop will stop. As you can see right now, let me try to start the screen recording. As soon as I press and I get the overlay, done. The 90 FPS, it will try to decrease to 60 FPS. You did see, friends, as you can see, this is the reason we were unable to use the screen recording while playing at 90 FPS. This is another drawback as well. So overall, let me know in the comment section below, friends, in case if you have any other methods to figure out the game working. That will be really helpful. Yes, so absolutely. So if you have any other ideas, make sure to comment below. I did try to do the game space completely catch delete. I did already, I think I did apply the high performance mode, do not optimize. All these settings I already tried, but still it did not work. Only this is the one trick which actually worked in the Realme X1 Max. So, but there's a catch with that. So you cannot use any kind of screen recording in that, and you cannot even increase the brightness. So this is a way you can actually play it. But so till now, this is only the temporary solution which we got right now. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure you check the links in description. So don't forget to check the links in description. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.